Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope so you all are fine. Today I have a question: a square root of a plus b square root of b which is equal to 81 and b square root of a plus a square root of b which is equal to 45, and from these two equations we have to find the value of a plus b. So first of all we will name them equation number 1 and equation number 2. So we can see here square root of a and square square root of a are same in both equations. Similarly, square root of b and square root of b are same in both equations. So we will suppose that square root of a is equal to x and square root of b is equal to y. So a will be equal to x square. Similarly, b will be equal to y square. So from here, equation number 2 will become, equation number 2 is b square root of a. b is y square. Square root of a is x, so it will become y square x plus a is x square and square root of b is y, which is equal to 45. Now from these two terms we have x and y are common, so it will become xy into this divided by this will be equal to y plus this divided by this will be equal to x, which is equal to 45. Now we'll name it equation number 3. Similarly, equation number 1 will become a square root of a means x square into x plus b square root of b means y square into y, which is equal to 81. Now it will become x square and x will become x cube plus y square and y will become y cube, which is equal to 81. Now we will use here perfect cube formula, which is x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So from here, if we want to find x cube plus y cube, so it will become x plus y whole cube minus 3x square y minus 3xy square, which is equal to x cube plus y cube. So we will replace x cube plus y cube with this one. So it will become x plus y whole cube minus 3x square y minus 3xy square, which is equal to 81. Now x plus y whole cube, from these two terms we have 3xy is common. So this divided by this will be equal to x. Negative into negative will become positive. This divided by this will be equal to y, which is equal to 81. Now from equation number 3 we can see that xy into y plus x is same as x plus y. So xy into x plus y, so this will become is equal to 45. So we will replace it with 45. So it will become x plus y whole cube minus 3 times 45 is equal to 81. So x plus y whole cube is equal to 45 into 3 is 135, which is equal to 81. So from here x plus y whole cube is equal to 181, negative 135 will become positive 135. Sorry, it is 81. So x plus y whole cube is equal to 216. And 216 is same as 6 cube. Now we will apply cube root on both sides. So cube and cube root will be cancelled out, and here x plus y is equal to 6. So it is our equation number 4. Now we will put the value of x plus y in equation number 3. And equation number 3 is xy into y plus x, which is equal to 45. Xy into y plus x, or x plus y are same, so I will write here x plus y, which is equal to 45. Now we will put the value of x plus y here, so it will become xy into 6, which is equal to 45. Now we will divide both sides by 3. So 3 1 times 3, 3 2 times 6, 3 1 times 3, 3 5 times 15. So it will become 2xy is equal to 15. Now here we have equation number 4. We will use here equation number 4. Equation number 4 is x plus y is equal to 6. Now we will take square on both sides. So it will become x square plus y square plus 2xy, which is equal to 36. And 2xy is equal to 15. So we will put the value of 2xy here. So it will become x square plus y square plus 15 is equal to 36. So it will become x square plus y square is equal to 36 minus 15. So x square plus y square will be equal to 21. If we recall here, x square is equal to a and y square is equal to b. So we will replace x square with a and y square with b. So it will become a plus b is equal to 21. So it is our final answer. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.